Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to replace the taillight bulbs in a 2003 to 2009 Toyota Prius. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today we'll be changing the light bulbs in this 2007 Prius, and procedures will be similar for a lot of Prius models from 2003 to 2009, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hatch. On the inside of the car behind the taillight assembly is a small panel, released by a tab. Remove the panel for access to the taillight bulb socket. Turn the socket counterclockwise to remove it from the back of the assembly. Remove the taillight bulb by pulling it directly out of the socket. Press your new bulb into the socket. Secure it in the back of the assembly by turning it clockwise into place. Turn your lights on to make sure the new light is working. Reinstall the small panel. Taillight bulbs should always be changed in pairs, so repeat these steps on the other side. Close the hatch. And that's it. Everything that you need for this and other jobs is available at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our how-to videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.